In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on what is the control flow guard in Windows 11 and how to turn it on or turn it off. So the control flow guard or the CFG is a security feature in Windows that helps prevent malware by adding extra checks to detect and block attempts to hijack a program's control flow. So on how you can enable and disable the Control Flow Guard on your Windows 11, go to the Windows search bar and simply type security. Click on Windows Security under the best match. Then once you are in the Windows Security window, you'll find these options on the left pane: Home, Virus and Threat Protection, Account Protection, Firewall and Network Protection. Then the App and Browser Control. Click on the App and Browser Control. Under the App and Browser Control, in the options, you'll find Exploit Protection. Exploit protection settings, simply click on that exploit protection settings and then you will find the control flow guard under the exploit protection settings. So by default, this is enabled. So just simply click on the drop down arrow and you'll have the option to turn it off and you'll have the option to turn it on. Okay? So that's how you can easily enable and disable the control flow guard on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.